Hello, good morning. This is Sohail Rana again. We are working today in MAN Z ZF transmission, semi-automatic transmission, Astronic. That is in Bangladesh, in some bus company, in the London Express. We are working in uh, all 2017 model MAN bus. So this is a Astronic. There is a defected before. So I overhaul all the pistons and rubbers and everything. So after repair, I have my handmade simulator connection between OBD cable to transmission controller. So this is my handmade. So here you can see the MANCAT is working with this facility to connect individual component. So there is a power supply 24 volt. So I can test every single component here and what is a current fault, current DTC. So this is okay. This is RPM and then counter Chevy speed, everything is showing here, no fault. So I can check here many more option like here you can see I connect already in the system here in the gear control unit and then going to the ZF Astronic. So by the way, this for my handmade, if I going to buy from the ZF software, it will only working for ZF software, but I make my handmade simulator connection to working in my bench. Any control unit for the man, I can use here in my simulator. So here in my lab, here you can see my lab here. Already I set up everything in Dhaka, Bangladesh. So I am working professional for the commercial vehicle. So this is a activation test. I can test here activation. So here you can hear the sound. Every ordinary bulb is working properly. Okay. If I make air connection, it will working every activator. So I just tested by little because I already test in air system, but right now in my side no have air system. Okay, so here you can see my also I have EBS 4th generation. This is a EBS bulb for the man. So this is my setup, all my equipments. Thank you for watching.